Binibingi-bingi.
Yes, yes.
Sabi niya. Parang ang pagkakasabi niya pa doon, ano eh. Hindi, meron pa. Bukod sa nagbibingi-bingihan.
Playing dumb.
Playing dumb.
Yes, sir.
I don't think na nagbibingi-bingihan tayo and I'm playing dumb. I think it's the Chinese embassy who's speaking for themselves. No? Dahil ang nilalabas naman natin, whatever is happening in the West Philippines Sea are always anchored in facts. Meron tayong pictures, meron tayong photos, wala tayong kasinungalingan na ginagawa dito. And I think it's a Chinese embassy who sounds like a broken record. Paulit-ulit lang naman yung sinasabi nila.
Yes, sir. And sir, sinabi po nila sa ikaapat na punto nila, sir, consistent and clear yung position nila sa China in order to address the issues, sir, with the Philippines.
Ano daw ang position nila?
Well, sir, they were stating the conclusive statement, consistent and clear.
Ano nga ang conclusive statement nila?
About sa sir, yung pag-address ng maritime disputes, sir, sa West Philippines.
Well, the same thing, no? Ang para sa Philippine government, we have been very consistent. We adhere to the 2016 Arbitral Award and we respect the UNCLOS. I think if there's one decision point that we need to respect, that would be adherence to the international law.
Perfect. Ang movement ng platform na yun to the northern parts, sarili nag-float lang siya or ginalaw nila?
No, di ba sabi ko nga, for that particular platform to move, kailangan nilang magdala ng dalawang service boat sa gilid and then magkarga ng between 12 to 15 people to operate the platform and then sa kanila i-guide going to that location kung saan nila dadalhin.
So, ang movement kaya na yung dahilan kailangan nila na mas shallow area?
I don't know. That would be speculative on my part to explain the objective why they're moving the platform. I don't know whether if they are really conducting marine scientific research. You know, mahirap naman paniwalaan ng China sa mga sinasabi nila.
So, yung MDA ng PCG, is it on a daily basis?
Yes, the commitment of Admiral Ronnie Hilgaban is to conduct a daily MDA flight. So, baka ang itatanong mo, kailan makakapagsakay uli ng media because alam naman mga media friends natin na kapag nag-MDA tayo sa BDM4, laging may media na kasama. But right now, we are, of course, considering the safety and security ng mga media friends natin. Because based on the information that I discussed during the press con last week, nung mga daang araw na nagkaroon tayo ng MDA flight, they are either deploying their PLA Navy helicopter, even a jet fighter to intercept our Coast Guard aircraft. So as of this time, we are still checking whether the MDA flight with embedded media will still be possible.
So, yung flight ng MDA, is it by PCG lang or alternate with BFAR?
Well, I cannot speak for the operational MDA ng Armed Forces. But definitely BFAR, Coast Guard, AFP, we're doing our MDA flight. As to the schedule, I cannot disclose.
Pero sa vessels or sa sea vessels?
For the Coast Guard vessels, yes, we are still doing sovereignty patrols. The Philippine Coast Guard, as of this time, has two 44-meter vessels in the vicinity of Baho de Masinloc.
So sir, what is the latest assessment of ng pamahalaan dito sa Baho de Masinloc?
Well, for us, our assessment, China remains to violate international law. Ipinagpipilitan pa rin nila na Baho de Masinloc falls under their own sovereignty. And for us, with the Philippine government, we do not recognize that. So I cannot, dignify the operation na sinasabi nila. For us, the activities that they're doing in Baho de Masinloc are all illegal and violation of international.
And anong hakbang na gagawin ng pamahalaan dito sa pagpapatayo ng istruktura dito sa
Well, nakapag-gawa naman na ng pangunahing hakbang ang ating pamahalaan, that will always be a diplomatic action. That is our utmost priority to settle this kind of incident in a diplomatic manner. As to the other things, I cannot disclose that to the public.
Ano ang concern nyo sa mga mangingisda na naapektuhan dito?
Well, ang mga isdang Pilipino ay patuloy pa rin naman nakakapangisda. Every time that we monitor a high number of Filipino fishing vessels na pumupunta sa Baho de Masinloc, in coordination with the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, we escort them so that they will not be harassed by Chinese Coast Guard.
May mensahe po ba kayo sa Chinese Embassy na nagtatalaga sila
Well,
dyan?
ang mensahe ko lang sa Chinese Embassy at ang kanilang mga spokesperson, sana magkaroon kayo ng masayang weekend and keep following my post at dahil lagi nyo naman sinasagot ang post ko, siguro subscribe na rin naman siguro sila sa podcast ko. But I will always find time to respond to all the lies and disinformation na ginagawa ng Chinese Embassy sa kanilang social media platforms.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.